With a vision to enable children with disabilities to learn and engage equally, our Reach and Match Play-Based Learning Kit helps children develop 7 learning outcomes, including literacy, cognitive, sensory integration, language enrichment, motor, social and communication skills. But more than these benefits, the kit brings happiness and psychological support to children, especially those experiencing difficult times.
The use of the Reach and Match materials serve as not only for learning but also serve as a psychosocial therapy session.
In 2017, the Marawi crisis has forcibly displaced 98% of the total population of the city, and over 50,000 children living in fear were unable to return to schools.
Through the use of these Reach and Match materials, we are able to help those children heal the trauma that they are experiencing.
Sa grade 1 ko, meron akong dalawa. Yung isa, may pagka-special child. Yung isa naman, may depekto siya sa pagsasalita. Pero pag nag-activity naman kami, hindi nila na-feel na may disability sila. Nagkikipaglaro din naman sila. Lumalakas yung self-esteem nila, mas nagiging active sila, nawawala yung hiya nila. Yun.
Reach and Match has different lessons wherein each lessons promotes different senses of the body. Reach and Match is a very innovative material wherein it promotes inclusion and it promotes education.
At Reach and Match, we have a dream to bring inclusive education to all children across the world. We are honored to win the OpenIDEO MIKTA Education in Emergencies Challenge, which allowed us to bring the Reach and Match inclusive learning program to the children in Marawi. We have partnered with Save the Children and Plan International to deliver this innovative early intervention program to 10 schools and 10 childcare centers. Through the Reach and Match high-level training, partner organizations including the Department of Education, Lanao del Sur and Marawi have learned the research background, inclusive teaching ideas, and hands-on practice for all Reach and Match activities. Most importantly, they learn how to design and integrate the Reach and Match program effectively into their current curriculum. We have provided 80 learning kits for 10 schools and 10 daycare centers. In total, 105 teachers were trained and 2,430 children participated in the program, of which 52% are girls.
Nagagamit po ang Reach and Match sa pagtuturo ng mathematics tulad ng mga different shapes at saka mga different numbers.
Reach and Match Learning Kit is a system of 4 double-sided sensory play mats and 26 double-sided sensory tiles, which also includes braille and distinctive sounds. Therefore, children with and without disabilities can learn together. It can be used in both 2D and 3D configurations, which provides over 30 games, focusing on active exploration and interaction. It is a gender-friendly kit that encourages both girls and boys to participate equally in schools and also enhances school readiness for all children. Through our partnerships, the positive impact of the Reach and Match project is multiplied. Teachers have affirmed that the learning kits are effective educational tools that encourage a safe, friendly, and fun environment.
Natutulungan po yung mga trauma ng bata sa nangyaring SAGE, and then po yung naiinggan yung pumasok ng eskwela kahit hindi na po siya samahan, hindi na umiiyak, nagpapaiwan na siya doon kasi naiingganan na siya.
The program also provides a holistic approach to the growth and development of children, especially for those children with special needs. There is no greater joy than seeing these happy, smiling faces. We believe that no child should be left behind, and through Reach and Match, all children with and without disabilities can learn equally.